Hey YouTube, what's up? Hey, a lot of people have a problem with getting music for their YouTube videos and ask a lot of times, where can I get free music for my YouTube video? Well, most of you should know if you use copyrighted music, your video could be taken down without express written consent from the owner of the music. 90% of the people do not know that YouTube offers free music for your videos. It's very easy. Just go to YouTube and log in, then left click on your picture icon on the right, and this might be different, but go to Creator Studio. Just find your Creator Studio. If it says YouTube Studio Beta, switch to Creator Studio because they don't have this option yet. I'm about to show you. And it looks like we're in Studio. So let's go to Creator Studio Classic. And that takes us here. Now, what we want to do is create. Create's on your left hand side, and once you click on it, you're going to get an option for free music. And the list is extensive, but you can also get sound effects. So that's pretty cool too. Now you can search by category, and in free music you can go to genre, pick your genre or your mood or your instrument, which I like acoustic guitar. Duration, you just need something quick for a fast clip or something long. And attribution. Attribution just means in your description you need to put down where you got it from and who it belongs to. Let's click on attribution not required. The only thing I have not, no, there it is. So we're going to go birds in flight and listen to it. Now let's go to sound effects and see what we get there. Let's go to category. Let's do a cartoon. Oh, the cartoon boring. Let's try that out. Cartoon cowbell. Cartoon metal funk. Anyways, you get the gist of it. It's very simple. There's also other ways you can get free music, and it's just pretty much a Google search. Free. Let's do royalty free music, and it looks like we have about 290 million results. So I hope this video helps you, and I know that the information helped me.